Excuse me. How much more longer will you be?
I would say about hour and a half.
You can't go any faster?
I'm sorry, but the things that I'm working on, I can't go any faster.
Well, that means you're not very good at your job then now, does it?
Is everything okay, ma'am?
Yes, I'm fine.
Would you like me to leave?
Yes, actually that's a good idea. Yes, I would like you to leave. Can you make it quick?
Okay, but if I leave, you'll still be billed for the entire thing.
Hurry, please, hurry.
Okay, no problem. Are you okay?
Oh.